Get ready for some truly staggering numbers today as we dive into the colossal investments being made to build the very foundations of the AI future. From billions flowing into optical fiber to unprecedented cloud infrastructure spending, the race to scale AI is accelerating at an incredible pace. This is TSL Byte Sized, your daily AI news brief for Thursday, May 7th, 2026. Let's get into it. Nvidia's making a massive play for the future of AI infrastructure, announcing an investment of up to $3.2 billion in Corning. This strategic move, reported by CNBC, is set to supercharge the production of optical fiber, a critical component for the high-speed data transfer demanded by advanced AI systems. Corning will establish 3 new advanced manufacturing plants in the U.S., exclusively dedicated to producing these optical technologies for Nvidia. This isn't just about glass. It's about laying the physical groundwork for the next generation of AI data centers, ensuring Nvidia has a robust and dedicated supply chain for the essential connectivity that powers its GPUs. The immense and growing demand for specialized infrastructure to support the escalating computational needs of artificial intelligence means that traditional networking solutions are simply not enough. Optical fiber provides the bandwidth and low latency necessary for the massive data flows between thousands of GPUs in AI superclusters, highlighting how deeply intertwined hardware and AI development have become. This partnership ensures that as AI models grow larger and more complex, the underlying data pathways can keep pace, preventing bottlenecks and enabling faster, more efficient AI operations, crucial for training and inference. This massive investment by Nvidia isn't happening in a vacuum. It's part of a much larger trend of unprecedented infrastructure spending across the AI industry. According to the Algorithmic Bridge, the AI boom is fueling a massive surge in cloud infrastructure expenditure, with hyperscalers planning to invest hundreds of billions. Microsoft, Oracle, Google, and Amazon are seeing their cloud backlogs significantly driven by AI companies like OpenAI and Anthropic, which together account for roughly half of more than $2 trillion in cloud backlog. The 4 major hyperscalers are projected to spend around $725 billion on AI infrastructure in 2026 alone, nearly double their 2025 investments. This data underscores the sheer scale of capital flowing into building the foundational compute and networking capabilities required to power the next generation of AI. Speaking of compute power, Anthropic has made a significant move to secure its own infrastructure, signing a deal with SpaceX for compute capacity. CNBC and Bloomberg both reported on this agreement, where Anthropic will utilize all of the compute capacity at SpaceX's Colossus 1 data center in Memphis, Tennessee. This partnership is particularly interesting given that SpaceX also owns xAI, a direct competitor to Anthropic in the AI model space. The deal highlights the intense competition for access to high-performance computing resources, which are increasingly becoming the bottleneck for AI development and deployment. For Anthropic, this agreement with Elon Musk's company is a strategic play to bolster its computing resources and meet the surging demand for its Claude artificial intelligence software. This move underscores the critical importance of securing dedicated compute, even from a competitor's affiliate, to maintain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Shifting gears from infrastructure to the human element of AI, employees at Google DeepMind in the UK have taken a landmark step, voting to form what will be the world's first workers' union at an AI lab. According to reports from the Times of India, Live Mint, and Gadget Review, this move stems from significant concerns over Google's AI deals with the U.S. government, specifically military contracts, including those with the Pentagon. The employees are demanding an end to these military AI contracts, raising profound questions about AI ethics in the workplace and the responsible development of artificial intelligence.
This unprecedented challenge from within a major AI lab highlights a growing tension between commercial interests and the ethical considerations of AI deployment. The unionization effort signals a new era where AI developers are actively seeking to influence the moral compass of their work and the applications of the technology they create.
In a quick hit, Meta is facing a significant legal challenge as publishers and authors have filed a class action lawsuit alleging massive copyright infringement. Publishing Perspectives reported that the lawsuit, filed in New York, accuses Meta and its CEO Mark Zuckerberg personally of building its Llama AI service with unauthorized copies knowingly sourced from illegal pirate sites. This legal action adds another layer to the ongoing debate about intellectual property rights and the training data used for large language models. Before I let you go, keep an eye on the ripple effects of the DeepMind unionization. This could set a precedent for other AI labs globally, influencing ethical guidelines in military AI development. Also, watch for further announcements from hyperscalers regarding their 2026 AI infrastructure spending, as the numbers continue to climb, indicating the relentless pace of AI expansion. That is TSL Byte Sized for Thursday, May 7th, 2026. We covered everything from massive infrastructure investments to ethical challenges within AI labs. Find the show on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and wherever you get your podcasts for your daily dose of AI news. See you tomorrow.